So far I've really enjoyed having the close mentorship, and so having someone there to ask a question when you're in the middle of something that might be more complicated. You know, you can kind of hit pause, ask for help, make sure you're doing it right, and then they come over with these tips that you're like, why did no one teach me that before? So I'm just learning so many new things, and the goal would be to continue learning new things to bring back and make it easier for everyone to practice it.
I feel as a new grad, we didn't get a lot of hands-on training in school, and so being able to come out and not only have a refresher on something, but have that close mentorship where you had someone actually there to correct you as you make mistakes, does really help us to have better habits for the future, and kind of perfect our skills a little bit more.
So far, all of the instructors were awesome. So very friendly, and very easygoing, very easy to understand them as well. So, and I'm looking for absorb as much as I can information. Definitely I'm looking forward for the soft tissue surgery.